Hello and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana Olaya and I want to share with you 3 things that you can do to boost the traffic to your website. So let's start with content. I'm here looking at your website and it's looking really good. It has a video, pictures, lots of greens and click to call buttons, links to your social media accounts. That's really cool and helpful when browsing from a mobile phone. One thing that you can do to improve your website is actually throw in a lot more content, because at the moment it has 429 words and Google likes to see content to rank you and optimize you to rank you at the top of the organic search. Let's have a look at your competition. Easygrass, they have 1,000 words, so a little bit over 600, a little bit more than 600 words than yours. Best Miami Turf, they have 427 words. But not only the amount of content comes into place, but also the quality of that content. So let's have a look at the Google search. I came across you when I type in artificial turf Miami, which is something that we consider buyer intent keyword, which is nothing else than what people actually type in when they want to buy a product or a service. And the first thing that Google is going to show you is the section related to the Google Ads. In here, they are good, the Google Ads, because they drive traffic, but reality is that a lot of people turn off the ads in their browsers, and some people just skip them and they go straight into this section, which is called the Google My Business profile. To rank at the top of the Google My Business profile, you need 3 things. You need reviews, you need pictures of your business in the Google Business profile, and you need citations. And a citation is wherever your business is listed in a directory such as Facebook, Yelp, Yellow Pages, all of that. Your business name, phone number, address, they need to be exactly the same as those recorded here in your Google Business profile. If they do match, then Google is going to rank you at the top. And just bear in mind that 40% of the traffic goes through this Google My Business, so people are actually clicking on any business that they are seeing here on this Google Business profile. So it is important to rank at the top. Now the third section of the Google search is what we call the organic search. To rank at the top of the organic search is a combination of both content and backlinks. So let's have a look at a tool that we use. It's called Arifs, and it helps us analyze how your website has been built. At the moment, you are ranking for 6 organic keywords, and your website has 12 backlinks. A backlink is a link on any website that is directing traffic to your website. And you have to look at it like a contest. So the person that has the most like and ideally has influencers following that person is the person that is gonna win. In this case, the website that is going to rank at the top, that is going to be more visible, is the one that has more links on other websites and on powerful websites. And powerful websites are those that are regarded by Google as authorities in certain, for example, the service and the area that you serve and the services that you provide. So for that, Google is going to rank you, it's going to give you points and it's going to rank you even higher. Let's have a look at your competitors. So Easygrass, they have 836 backlinks on 219 websites. Best Miami Turf, they have 2,400 backlinks in 367 websites. So it's important, look at this. They have more than what Easygrass has, but Easygrass is able to outrank them because most likely these backlinks are more powerful than those of Best Miami Turf. So these are the backlinks that you need to chase. Those are the websites that you want to be, where you want your link to be included. Now let's have a look at the words that you are being ranked for. So 6 organic words. So this tool shows me the keywords, so the things that people type in Google and the keywords that you are being ranked for, the search volume of these keywords, and in which position you are appearing for these keywords. So first of all, if you are anywhere beyond the 10th position, it means that you are not on the first page of Google. And most of the people are staying on the first page of Google. They are not going into the second page. So something to bear in mind. So you are not able to drive any traffic to your website through these organic keywords. Now, when you look at the keywords, you look at, for example, garden companies near me, that's 150, the search volume, landscape companies, Miami, You want to have those that have more volume. Landscaping companies, Miami. Let's have a look at what Easygrass is targeting. They are targeting, they are being ranked for 1,600 words, and they are appearing on the first and second position they are between the first and the fifth position for lots of keywords. But let's have a look. So for example, they are ranking for artificial grass Miami, artificial turf Miami, easy grass Miami, artificial synthetic lawns Miami, and I'm just only looking at those related to artificial turf, buyer intent keywords related to artificial grass, right? So for example, if this is a service that you provide, grass and concrete driveway, that's something that you could target. Concrete and grass driveway 250, synthetic grass Miami. So in the end, what we look at is actually targeting those keywords that have the most volume, because that means that you're going to be in front of your potential customers more often. So if you are on front of those potential customers more often, it means that a percentage of those customers or potential customers are going to click on the link that is going to take them to your website. Then a percentage of those who click are going to reach out to you. And then a percentage of those, depending on your closing rate, you're going to land into new customers. So here, the formula is the more traffic you're able to drive to your website, that translates into more sales. And more sales means that your business is going to grow even more. And that's what I wanted to share with you today. So just to recap, we covered content. You want more content and more relevant content, targeting specific or relevant keywords with more search volume. You want to have more reviews, more pictures, and more citations to rank at the top of the Google Business Profile. And you want to target more powerful backlinks. If you like what you saw on this video and you want to arrange a one-on-one or a more in-depth consultation, please feel free to call me. Or if you want to use this on your own and do it on your own, that's fine as well. I just want, in return, a little bit of feedback on this video. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.